Tri-5 time here at Unique, especially in classics. This particular one, 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, two-door post or two-door sedan. This particular car, patina look to it. It's kind of one of those. Now, do you want to drive it the way it sits and enjoy it, or take it to the next level, or kind of work on it as you go? It's kind of the category I'd put this one in. Originally, a great color, if you wanted to bring this back to an original color, was originally twilight turquoise and ivory. Right here you can see would have been the original color to it. This car actually came to us out of California, so it does not look bad. Undersides, take a look at the inner rockers and what have you. Take a look at the underside pics. The technician that drove this and went through it drives down the road nice. Said it was a great platform once again to take to the next level, or possibly just drive it the way it is. 327 V8 power underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out those still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the front bumper and grille. Again, see, it's got that kind of patina look to it. Look up and down the side of it, though. That car appears to be pretty straight. Does not look like it's a real thick car or full of a bunch of Mondo or what have you. Maybe you're a guy that can do some body work yourself, or know somebody that does. You want to spruce this one up a little bit, or like I said, just enjoy it the way it sits. It's still a classic Tri-5 Chevy, no doubt about that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Interior of the car now is black vinyl. Would have came with a charcoal and ivory interior. Has Flowmaster exhaust on it right now. Good sound with that 327 underneath the hood. And we'll fire it up here and let you check out that engine bay, let you listen to it run. Also a true V8 Bel Air to start with. BC56 is the beginning of the VIN, and that is followed by an N. Tell you the plant that it was actually built at also. So you can tell it is a true Bel Air. By the VIN number, let you take a look up and down the driver's side here also. And again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. See, it's riding on radial tires with the American Racing torque thrust style wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the interior. There's a little crack in the glass right here that has been doctored up, and you may find some pinholes and what have you down along the very bottoms, driver and passenger side. And we do have a open door policy for inspectors if you wanted somebody else to put eyeballs on this. If you can't make it yourself, give me an idea what it looks like, how it runs, how it drives. Feel free to do that too. Again, interior's been redone in a black vinyl. Bench seat doesn't look too bad up front. Pretty stock looking dash. This car has been named, in case you're wondering, somewhere along the line. Came up with the name Elaine. Alright, let's fire it up. See how easy it starts? Here's the gas gauge works. Not had the radio working, by the way. Again, 4-speed manual paired up with that 327. Nice little rumble coming out of it. It's that Bel Air dash. Probably the original paint on the dash. Like I said, it would have been charcoal with ivory interior. Door closes nicely, fits well. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Alright, I'm going to pause this 1 second and slip up to the front, pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay. Give me a second. Well, look at that, and then button up this video.
Hey, Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that 327. I have a touch of an exhaust leak there. Sounds like on this side of the manifold. Once again, it's kind of one of those, drive it the way you see it, or take her to the next level. Dry-5 Chevy, 1956. Bel Air 2-door post. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.